Hey guys, this is a quick look unboxing review at the Bose Tempo Style Bluetooth headset frames. So they play music out of here, but they're from Bose, so it's pretty awesome. So let's open it up and take a look. Zip cord. It's like the no turning back. You've opened it, we can tell. Sure, I will leave that on. So a box to be a box. Nope, they have other stuff in here. Start here. What do you got for me in here? Just a nice microfiber cloth. This comes out nicely. You have your instructions, safety, big book of safety. I assume that's all there is. So let's put this away. Wrap it back up. Let's take a look at these. So nice case. It's not too much bigger than your regular sunglasses case if you have a nice high-end pair of sunglasses or just regular eyeglasses. Holy moly. Yes, up. Wow. So they feel freaking awesome. It's like a plastic. I don't know, this part here kind of feels like a hearing aid type of material, like, you know, kind of very hollow and thick and bulky. I know hearing aids come a long way, but that's my narrow view. So you have your messages there, and what do you have, an on button? And so how these things work is so here, let me just put them on because they're making some noise. Yeah, so they sound fantastic. You can hear them without these actually being on, but they kind of radiate your whole head. They kind of play music through, like, the vibration you can hear as soon as they get a little bit close to you. So very nice, beautiful. Let me just check them out, how they cut through the sun. Yeah, like you can tell that they're polarized, or they're just doing a really good job with cutting down that sun. So yeah, pretty beautiful. Let's take a look here. We have tips for what? So I guess that those would be for the ends, or are they for the nose? Could be for the nose. It kind of looks like, yeah. So those are for the nose. Like if they don't fit well on your head, you can change out the nose pieces. Okay, cool, nice. What else you got? USB 3.0, please. Thank God. I'm not sure why, like, a lot of people aren't putting in, they're still putting in micro, but very nice. And that's kind of it, right? Get your case. You got your nose pieces, your protector and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play some music with these guys and report back. So they sound absolutely phenomenal for glasses, better than any earbuds that I've ever used. And if you're, into sports and you don't want to carry two things, like if you're a cyclist or just someone that's always in the sun, and you don't want to have two things, combining these is really awesome. They do look pretty stylish. I mean, it's kind of weird looking like that, but when you're actually wearing them, they do look pretty nice. Highly recommended. I hope you guys like this review, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.